Hey guys, welcome to another great episode of Puckin Productions. And today it's another unboxing video. I've got the Lightning Collection back. The Gold Ranger from Power Rangers Zeo. And it's the original one, Trey of Triforia, who's basically an alien. And I must admit, the Gold Ranger is pretty cool. He's actually one of my favourites. There's the box here. There's the helmet, again. There's the, again. And there's, there he is with the little special effect thing here. Now here's something I didn't notice before on many boxes. The Zeo logo is actually on the side. I never noticed that with any of the other boxes. So we're getting him out. And there we are. So let's see. Get his two fists out first. Ooh. And a little lightning effect has come out as well. Oh, so it's got a circle around it. That's how you get it on the staff. We'll get the staff out in a minute. Up. Here are the fists, just like with Jason and the other ones. Next up is Trey's weapon, the Golden Power Staff. Looks so cool. Next up is Trey's head, like underneath the helmet. And let's have the Gold Ranger himself. There we are. And here he is, the Gold Zeo Ranger. Looks brilliant, doesn't he? Now if you're wondering, the kanji on his, or symbol on his helmet, that actually is a Japanese kanji for king. Because in the Sentai counterpart to Power Ranger Zeo, Chodaki Sentai O Ranger, this Ranger is actually a black Ranger known as King Ranger, because the kanji is a king. And he looks pretty cool, as you can see when I bring him up close. Let's see how he looks with the staff. Come on, there we go. There we are. We look up with the staff in hand. Pushing it a bit further. So it's fresh out the box, so whenever it feels like a gold rush, you can have this staff, and I'm sure it. Let me see if he can hold it here on the bottom end. Oh, it's very bendy, isn't it? There we go. There we go. Like that. Pretty cool. Take it out. And so let's remove the helmet and put on Trey's head. Ooh. Drop the thing. Really requires some effort. There we are. There he is, Trey of Triforia. Got a cool scar on his face, hasn't he? Now let's take the staff and see if we can put the effect over. Oh, so it just wraps around. Is it? Oh yeah, it just wraps around. Really cool. There we are. And since I actually have Jason, the Red Ranger, as well, I can swap his and Trey's heads, so we can have Jason as the Gold Ranger, because he was the Gold Ranger as well as the Red Ranger. So if you guys want to let me know what you think of this figure in the comments, let me know, and I'll see you next time.